Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Cooking from Camp. We're at camp. It's been a rainy day, and so Paul and I are thinking we want a nice, hot, delicious, healthy, hearty dinner. So I'm making polenta, a cheating kind of way of polenta. So polenta is from Italy. It's like a very coarse corn product. It's not as fine as cornmeal, but it's really toothy and wonderful. Very low in calories, very low in fat. It's a great starch that accompanies like anything else you want to add to it. I like to start with this pre-cooked tube polenta. This is from Trader Joe's. You can find this in your produce section in your supermarket, and it's pre-cooked. So I'm going to slice it in discs. You can put that on a grill. You can saute it. If you just leave it dry, a lot of salt and pepper, top it with some nice rich tomato paste or rich tomato sauce. It's a great side for any vegetable, or if you're adding meat. I know some of you are meat eaters, we're not. So we're going to start with this polenta. I'm going to put it in a nice little baking dish, and what I'm going to add is a whole bunch of junk to make it delicious. So I'm going to the late Mr. Newman's tomato and basil tomato sauce to start and cheat. Again, we're cheating because we're in an RV. Even though we have full hookups right now, it's just less dishes. So I try to make these kinds of dishes when we don't have hookups. It just gets me used to cooking this way, so it's faster and easier cleanup. I'm going to finally kill the last of the artichokes from this ginormous Kirkland Costco artichoke hearts jar that's been taking up too much room in the fridge. It only came on board because I was cleaning out the cupboards when we left home. Spinach. You know, your mother said, get your dark greens in you, and I'm going to keep repeating it. So this is going to add piles and piles and miles and miles of nutrition. And again, I love this pre-bagged stuff. It's washed, it's clean, it's ready to go. You can cook it in the bag. You can take it out for salads, sandwiches, whatever you want. The last supermarket we went to had an olive bar. So I'm going to cut up some olives in the tomato. That'll be a nice bite. This is the last of the broccoli that's been around for hummus, and it's not going to make another day. Don't throw food away. Sweet mini peppers. Again, these come in these bags and all these great colors. I'm only using the yellow ones, mostly because I don't have any other red ones left. But it's already a red tomato sauce, so add some color. Scallions for a little bit of texture and color, and a white onion all sliced up so we can get our fiber, our vitamin A. What else? I'm going to top or stir in some Parmesan cheese. You can make this much cheesier if you want and add a whole bunch of cheese if you like. It's totally up to you. This will be really, really delicious. And so, what did I forget? Oh, it's not cooking wine. Tonight it's cooking beer. So enjoy the cooking beer while I cook and slice and dice for you. I love working with this polenta. It slides right out of that sleeve. I'm slicing it in discs for this particular dish, so I have some big chunkier, pieces we can cut up. That's perfect shape for the grill, by the way. Just spray it with some spray canola oil or brush it with olive oil. A little more beer. Okay, we're slicing and dicing the vegetables, throwing them all in a bowl so I can get the sauce evenly stirred up. Finally, that artichoke jar is out of the fridge. The spinach always adds a good amount of moisture, so this is going to be a lot of thick tomato sauce, but the spinach will add some nice moisture. Black pepper there, a little bit of red pepper flakes. Top it on. I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, Parmesan cheese, stir it up just a little bit, and it's ready for the oven. Time for the big reveal! Time for the big reveal. Oh, it's hot, and I only have this one hot mitt. Thank you, Ginny. Ooh, it's bubbling. That's what we're after, folks. Let's see how this comes out of the pan. It smells so good, everybody. Everybody, come on, dance and sing. Madonna's first hit. Y'all remember that? Of course you do. A little bit more, is that enough? I think a little bit more. And guess what? You know what that means? A little left over for lunch. Very happy. A little topping here. You know, I held back a little bit of that Parmesan. You know, we're not Neanderthals, we're just camping. There we go. And remember when I said we were camping at this really wonderful site? And it's a chilly day. Right along this little river. We're gonna eat outside, holding the rain off for our delicious meal from Italia. And guess what? We're drinking some Montepulciano Italian wine from Kennington Family Winery, which we reviewed a couple videos ago. Go back and check. Until the next time, bon appetit, bon appetito! Enjoy dinner.